News coming in from Manipur of repolling being announced at 11 polling stations, and this will happen on Monday after reports of EVMs being destroyed. The Election Commission has confirmed that a repoll will be conducted at these 11 polling stations from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. tomorrow. Remember, the two Manipur parliamentary seats saw voting on Friday on April 19th, but it looks like due to reports of violence and EVMs being targeted, 11 polling stations will see repolling once again. Anupam Mishra is joining us with more details on this. Anupam, despite heightened security that was in place in Manipur, we understand that there were multiple incidents of violence and particularly of EVMs being targeted.
Well, Akshita, you know that reports emerged from conflict-affected Manipur of firing and intimidation of voters and destruction of EVMs, electronic voting machines, at several polling stations, polling booths, alongside allegations of booth capturing on the day of polling on April 19th. So, and apart from that, a firing incident was also reported. One civilian was reported to be injured after the firing, and clashes were also reported at a polling booth in Manipur. So, in the wake of these incidents and the blame which has started after these incidents, both the BJP and the Congress have accused each other of inciting violence and violating the election model code of conduct during the tense period. So, after these allegations and after these incidents, Election Commission has decided to repoll at 11 polling stations on 22nd, that is tomorrow.
All right, we'll track the latest on that, and hopefully on Monday we're going to see peaceful polling at these 11 stations. Thanks very much, Anupam, for getting us those details.